she actually goes to a psychic to control it. But the psychic is like, there's no solve to this. Friend of mine, bro, whenever she sleeps, no, तो sometimes she gets dreams कि ऐसे somebody is going to die. और ये बहुत often नहीं होता है, but उसको पहले start में एक दो बार dream आया कि for example this uncle is going to pass away. उसके बाद ठीक है bro, ऐसी सपने में आ रहेगा. 3-4 महीने बाद that uncle actually passed away. But उसके बाद like she got a dream कि एक ऐसा बंदा is going to die in the next 2 or 3 months. और वो बंदा भी इतना old नहीं था, अपने एज का ही बंदा था. She's like, ठीक है, fuck it, I'm getting this dream, what can I do right now? And 3-4 months down the line, that actually happened. She's like, bro, he genuinely has something.
For another close friend of mine, very close friend, I'm assuming he, like, you know who. So he got a dream about his grandfather passing away. And the next night he passed away. Like, by the next night, I mean, he just woke up in the morning and he told his mom ki I just got this dream that, something's happened to, Dadaji, and he passed away, etc. And in the evening they got a call and he passed away.
What's up, people? Welcome back to Importstores. We are back with another segment. This time we have picked out a few weird ass stories from Reddit.
Weird. Yeah.
And we are here to discuss those stories, give our opinions.
I don't know whether there is any opinion worthy shit in this or not. Because these are the stories.
Yeah.
And we can just discuss about them.
First one. Growing up, my older siblings used to say I was adopted as a joke. Turns out it was true. Interesting. Similar story. While growing up, my dad was always traveling around the world. So I would joke with my friends that he had a secret second family. Turned out to be true. He secretly and illegally, I am sure, divorced my mom and got remarried. My family knows about them, but the other one does not know about us. I asked him how he pulled that off. His response, a lot of lies.
That's the power of manifesting, as we say it.
My man is flexing, bro. A lot of lies.
Yeah, malab, so Nikhil previously has spoken a lot about the power of manifesting and how he believes in it. Yeah. And here this guy was कि मैं अपने सब दोस्तों को बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे बाप इतना ट्रैवल करता है, उसका एक फैमिली है पक्का है, दूसरा है ये उसके प्रीवियस स्टोरी में उसको ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, मतलब उसके भाई लोग बोलते थे कि कि that you're adopted and all this shit. And turns out actually everything is turning out to be true.
That is the reason why you should manifest every day in the morning. Yeah. Everything becomes real, bro. If you want to cheat, start manifesting.
And say a lot of lies. Next one. I sleepwalk and sleep talk all the time. Not that unusual. My niece, let's call her B, was on a holiday with her parents. Now me and my niece have always been close. We are close in age and went to the same school. So we grew up more like sisters. Anyway, I wake up one morning and my mom comes in and says, "What was all that fuss about B last night?" I had no idea what she was on about. Apparently, I had run into my mom's room at 4 a.m. shouting, "Where is B? What's happened to B? Is B all right?" My mom calmed me down and took me back to bed. I decided to text B and tell her about it. Turns out that that night she was on the flight back from her holiday. I had forgotten when they were coming back. But around 4 a.m., the flight had really bad turbulence and she had a big panic attack and couldn't breathe. Okay.
Bro, fuck, this is actually insane. I mean, sleepwalking and sleep talking, no, ऐसे मेरे को बहुत dangerous लगता है भाई. मतलब it's not in your control. You can do whatever you want. ऐसे और सुबह उठ के तेरे को realize भी नहीं होगा कि तूने क्या किया. Imagine like fucking sleepwalking and killing someone, bro. It's absolutely insane. That's one thing that I wouldn't want in life. तो बोलते हैं कोई बीमारी तो ऐसा नहीं, cancer ही मत दो. ऐसे ये भी bro, this is so insane भाई. And the fact that she actually fucking thought about it and it was actually happening since bro.
I mean that if you're ये लोग बहुत बोलते हैं कि if you're close with someone, then you just get some intuitions about something happening with that person who you're close with, that like good or bad, especially bad.
Correct.
है ना, कुछ खराब होता है तो it's just in the vibe, the air, that you can feel it कि कुछ तो गलत है, शायद कुछ तो हो रहा है. And I don't know कि ये क्या है, ये science का कुछ है कि it is just pure vibes or energies, I don't know.
Yeah.
But I think ऐसा कुछ तो होता है कि like when you're close to someone, or just in your normal environment, and if you can just feel something, the air just goes off and there is some uneasiness. Yeah, it's very eerie.
I have one story, bro. So a friend of mine, वो जब भी
मेरा नहीं बता रहा ना वो।
तेरा नहीं, a friend of mine bro, whenever she sleeps no, तो sometimes no, she gets dreams कि ऐसे somebody is going to die, और ये बहुत often नहीं होता है, बट उसको पहले स्टार्ट में एक दो बार ड्रीम आया कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस अंकल इज गोइंग टू पास अवे, उसके बाद ठीक है ब्रो ऐसे सपने में आ रहेगा, 3-4 महीने बाद दैट अंकल एक्चुअली पास्ड अवे, तो फकिंग कोइंसिडेंस, यू लाइक कोइंसिडेंस है। सेकंड टाइम भी उसको ड्रीम आया कि सम अदर अंकल हु इज आल्सो ओल्ड वाज सिक इज गोइंग टू पास अवे, एट दैट अंकल एक्चुअली पास्ड अवे। ये 2 बार हुआ, चल ठीक है कोइंसिडेंस है, बुड्ढा था मरना ही था, बट उसके बाद लाइक शी गॉट अ ड्रीम कि एक ऐसा बंदा इज गोइंग टू डाई इन द नेक्स्ट 2 or 3 months, और वो बंदा भी इतना ओल्ड नहीं था, अपने एज का ही बंदा था। शी लाइक ठीक है फक इट, आई एम गेटिंग दिस ड्रीम, व्हाट कैन आई डू राइट नाउ, एंड 3-4 months down the line that actually happened. She's like bro, she genuinely has something, she actually goes to a psychic to control it, but the psychic is like there's no solve to this, it's like you're getting an intuition that somebody is going to die and you can't even do anything about it. Now like recently she got a dream that उसकी friend की mom ना 9 महीने में she's going to pass away.
This is so uncomfortable to live with on a daily basis.
Yeah,
मतलब अगर वो मेरी दोस्त होती and she is close with my family, मैं उसको सोने नहीं दूँ। मैं बोला तू मत सो, तू कभी उठ के कुछ भी बता देगी मेरे को,
भाई
मेरी लाइफ खराब हो जाएगी।
it's insane भाई। और मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते, तो only thing that you can do right now is to control it, learn to control it, and even if you like, और तुम वो बंदे को बोल भी नहीं सकते, you know that person is going to die and you're close to that person, you're talking to that person, but you can't say anything to that person.
Imagine उसको पता है कि ये 9 महीने बाद मरने वाली है, एंड ऐसे ऐसे करके दिन पास आ रहे हैं, एंड अगले हफ्ते जस्ट मरने वाली डेट आ रहा है, एंड शी इज आउट विद ड्रिंकिंग एंड स्टफ, एंड शी इज लाइक इन हर माइंड, पीले पीले तेरी आखिरी बियर है। लाइक क्या
ड्रिंक करने की छोड़ने की ट्राई कर रहा है, नहीं पी
तेरा आखिरी है, मैं करूंगी। उसको ना उसको बता भी नहीं रही कि तेरा आखिरी बियर है, एंड शी जस्ट ऐसे देख रही है उसको, कितना अच्छा लग रहा है पी, तो इसको क्या मालूम वो प्रॉपर अनूप सोनी वाला, उसको क्या पता था वो उसकी आखिरी बियर होने वाली है।
और दैट चिक इज आल्सो लाइक 21-22 years old.
शी इज यंगर टू अस।
या शी इज यंगर टू अस ब्रो। बंदी ने पता एक्सीडेंट देखा है, उसने लेजिट अपने ड्रीम में देखा है कि एक उसका कोई कजिन वजिन ड्राइव कर रहा है और उसका एक्सीडेंट हुआ है और उसको इंजरी हुई है, ही डिडंट डाई बट उसको इंजरी हुई है, और वो बंदे का सेम रोड पे सेम कार में एक्सीडेंट हुआ, उसको सेम इंजरी हुई।
बाप रे,
Absolutely mental bro.
this is like this also reminds me like you know, for another close friend of mine, very close friend, I'm assuming ki like you know who, so he got a dream about his grandfather passing away, and the next night he passed away. Like by the next night, I mean, he just woke up in the morning and he told his mom ki I just got this dream that something's happened to Dadaji and he passed away, etc. And in the evening they got a call and he passed away, and they stay in Assam, so malab his grandfather and all, so and he was the closest to his grandfather, malab like unke jo bhi sab the दादाजी, out of all his grandchildren, everyone, he was the closest, malab wo unko bahut close mante the, but like this guy specifically, so he always said कि मेरा एक अलग ही connection था उनसे, whenever I used to go back home, like he used to just treat me very differently and in a very loving and caring way. So he said कि मेरे को मतलब कि जब आया intuition हुआ and it turned out to be true. So मतलब and इसको तो often नहीं होता, इसको एक ही बार हुआ, तो if it's like a one-off scenario when it happens, then you think of it and just you're that in that guilt, क्योंकि ये मेरे परिवार वाले के साथ हो रहा है ना, मतलब ऐसा अभी in your case your friend is just getting this randomly out of nowhere, and it's in a like unconscious state, है ना। अभी unconscious state में खुद का mind control करना might be so difficult, हम लोग conscious state में नहीं कर पाते, वो unconscious में तो अभी क्या होता है क्या मालूम। तो मैं सोच रहा किसी बंदे के साथ जब ये एकदम one off होता है and वो भी एकदम close family के relation में, then you feel कि मतलब then you can't like sleep for a week or a month,
you can't explain these things, like there's some,
and you have that guilt, और मतलब कि somehow you hold yourself accountable or like guilty, you're like मैंने क्यों वो सपना देखा।
that girl also saying the same thing कि bro I know that person is going to die and I feel guilty because even if I say it to that person will freak out more and we can't even do anything about it. So as she feels responsible for their death. It's just insane.
And it's also that she can't go and say कि नहीं तेरा accident होने वाला है तो भी घर के बाहर मत निकल, because see the the universe has some things planned, and you don't want to disturb the natural state and the the flow of things that will happen in the future. And because अगर वो flash करके, I think अपन flash देखते थे जब अपन कॉलेज में थे, हाँ, बट तुम जो भी वो टाइमलाइन चेंज करोगे कुछ लाइक
हाँ
ऐसा जो हमने देखा है ना सब यू नो सब फैंटेसीज में कि तुम एक थ्रेड चेंज कर दो टाइमलाइन
कुछ
का
change
हाँ तो यू लाइक कि ठीक है जो हो रहा है होने दो आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट
सी यू ब्रो पीस फिर खत्म करो
अपनी आखिरी बियर एंजॉय द नेक्स्ट वन my friend and I were walking into a Kmart one afternoon. We were just about to cross out of the parking lot when suddenly this car speeds up into the loading area and screeches to a halt in front of us. This young woman is driving and she says, "Do you guys have $200 I could have?" We're taken aback and tell her that no, we don't have $200 that she could have. She yells, "Shit!" and speeds off.
to the point no bullshit
Look, imagine in INR it is what like 17K plus.
yeah
But like imagine one chick just random तेरा 17,000 है नहीं पैन चोर करके निकल गए
मुझे तो लगा तेरे पास नहीं यार
but do you remember last week we went to this friend's party
yeah
outside the club and this girl asked us कि आप लोग का गेस्ट लिस्ट में नाम है कैन आई कम इन विथ यू एंड शी वाज जस्ट लुकिंग लाइक दिस ऐसा पूरा उसके बाल बिखरे हुए अकेली खड़ी है चुपचाप सी लाइक नो वन विद हर एंड मैं तो चल के आगे निकल गए ये इसको निखिल देखता है नो यू कैन नॉट कम विद अस एंड ही कम्स आई वाज मतलब बिकॉज इन द एंटायर like history of me clubbing
yeah
like for once I've seen a girl come up and say कि मैं आपके साथ चलूँ क्या it's the opposite way
the other way around bro जैसे जैसे तूने बोला यू तो जस्ट वॉकड ऑफ क्योंकि तूने सुना मेरे को रियलाइज नहीं हुआ मेरे को लगा बंदी में डायरेक्शन मिलेगी तो मैंने 1 मिनट के लिए आई कांटेक्ट किया लाइक एक्सक्यूज मी आई एम लाइक यार उसने बोलती है कि कैन आई एंटर विद यू आई एम लाइक नो ब्रो माय फेस जस्ट चेंज्ड बिकॉज़ आई वाज लाइक ठीक है हेल्प हर आउट एंड इट्स लाइक कैन आई एंटर आई एम लाइक नो फकिंग वे ब्रो आई एम आल्सो वेटिंग फॉर समवन एल्स टू एंटर
and like and as far as you remember that you know we were the first ones at that party 9 बजे का टाइम था हम 9:40 पहुंचे थे कोई नहीं आया था हाँ तो भी हम वहाँ पर खड़े थे एंड मतलब it was something off about that and she was not a girl she was a woman at least I think she was in her mid 30s or late 30s as far as I think we could say तो उसके थोड़े बाल बिखरे हुए और अकेली चुपचाप से एकदम स्पूकीली खड़ी है पता नहीं किसका वेट कर रही है
और वो भी ऐसा नहीं कि चलो फकर वकर क्लब में आ रहे हैं ऐसे प्रॉपर एक अच्छा जगह पे थे और वो
5 स्टार होटल में था
हाँ और बाहर ऐसे खड़ी है ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब कोई किसी का वेट भी कर रही है जस्ट इन अ कॉर्नर रैंडम
and she just staring here and there and with a hopeless eyes मैं बोला ये कुछ तो गड़बड़ है get a bad feeling
देख रहा मेरे बाल लग गए थे भाई काला जादू
that's a different story for another time about काला जादू
next one coming home one day as I turned onto my road there was a cow skull in the middle of the road cow skulls are awesome did you keep it son sold it to the neighbor for $10
ये क्या धंधा चल रहा है
like shit
try just try doing this in India
what the fuck did I just hear मेरे को ना कुछ horror shit हुआ कि बंदे को cow skull दिखा and that reply was oh cow skulls are awesome did you keep it I thought a normal person will reply nah bro what do you think ये बंदा sold my son sold it for $10 it's insane
but why is there a market of cow skulls I'm assuming and for $10 which is what like 850 rupees like 900 rupees something why for that much उसका उपयोग क्या है
exactly
like what if I say it in accounting terms or like finance terms you'll buy something if it's of an asset to you asset is asset is something that gives you future economic benefits what future economic benefit is it giving you apart from
भाई यही तो है ना ऐसे फिर बाकी लोगों की जिंदगी खराब करो
yeah भाई imagine that kid having an inventory of cows for sale 10% off Christmas weekend
Black Friday
this kid in my brother's kindergarten class was murdered by his mom she chopped his head off with an axe and the cops found her calmly walking down the street all covered in blood in the middle of the night this is a proper movie I'm still not sure my brother knows what really happened the school told his class the kid moved or something and my parents played along. One of my friends was murdered by his mom when we were about 11-12. She was wasted and pissed that he spent so much time on his Nintendo.
The fuck bro.
She stabbed him numerous times. She got convicted but was escorted in orange jumpsuit to his funeral. I remember understanding how clearly awkward it was even at my young age.
Bro, this is proper हम
Psycho problems
कर रहे हैं भाई you अभी नया season है
Yeah,
same
you-
shit happens bro that guy minor challenge he faces and he fucking goes and kills that.
Correct.
It makes absolutely no sense.
And then dances to Kaho Na Pyar in reels.
It's so shit bro. अभी मैं recent season देख रहा हूँ यू का bro, बंदा एक तो हर 10 मिनट में कोई नई बंदी के साथ प्यार में पड़ जाता है. One chick gives him attention and he's like, oh bro, I think you are the one bro, even though he's fucking married to 10 other chicks. और जिसके बाद उसकी शादी हुई है उसको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है, बंदे का फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन है, oh bro, let's kill that chick, let's kill that guy. Why it's so normal and he gets away with it every fucking time.
And can you just, in the story, can you imagine this scene that a mom has killed her son, and then she's jailed, and she comes in an orange jumpsuit, obviously because she's jailed, to his funeral. And it is such a weird sight to see.
Yeah bro.
कि it is, मतलब कि माँ को रोना चाहिए but माँ खुश है शायद और jailed है. मतलब it is that कि if you are their relative or friend, you don't know whether I should offer her condolences or not.
Not exactly.
इसलिए या तो गुस्से में मारा है but इसको भी शायद से रिग्रेट हो रहा होगा या इसका एक्चुअली मन था मारने का, बट हम करें क्या, किससे बात करें. बट ठीक है, बस रिस्पेक्ट दे के आगे फिर से बच्चे को. बट कितना अजीब सिनेरियो. जस्ट इमेजिन दिस हैपनिंग इन इंडिया.
Exactly, and killing that kid for like playing Nintendo regularly, bro. Like, get a fuck.
Then why did you buy him in the first place?
Bro, क्यों खरीदा? Why the fuck did you get laid in the first place?
मतलब अगर उसको दे भी दिया तो क्या है, Nintendo इतना उठा के ऊपर डाल दे, 11-12 साल के बच्चे का हाइट भी नहीं पहुंच रहा.
एक चमाट मारना वो legit मारी मत. At least Indian moms are better, bro. चप्पल खाते हम.
चप्पल भाई अब क्या क्या खाया बता नहीं सकते.
Next one. Was at a party when I met a person who revealed their fucked up life story. Later confirmed from a friend of that person. She was adopted, grew in northern Canada, married and had kids. Years later, she found his birth family. Turns out she married her brother. They stayed married for a bit, but it did eventually fall apart. But not because of the brother-sister thing. I was completely enthralled listening to her.
But why not because of the brother-sister thing? It should have fallen off because of the brother-sister thing.
Like they're ignoring the worst part. नहीं, इसके वजह से नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं ठीक है, मतलब ठीक है हमारा खून का रिश्ता है, बट प्यार तो करता है तेरे से.
पाकिस्तान में शादी हुई थी.
I was texting my friend, him. Guess who I saw getting off the train today? Me. I guess correctly who he saw. Who did he see? Someone that went to our high school, which we graduated in 2007. This is someone that neither of us were friends with, just acquaintances. Neither of us have talked to him since high school. Neither of us have talked about him to each other since high school. How the hell did I guess it correctly?
What the fuck?
अगर it is just so randomness, मतलब ये actually होता है in real life. कि मतलब मैं तेरे को बोलूंगा कि ऐसा ऐसा, एंड मेरा मेन चीज बोलने से पहले तेरे को गैस हो जाएगा कि ये क्या बोलने
वाला. एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि मेरे को गैस करने पूछता है तो कुछ अनएक्सपेक्टेड होगा, तो मैं फर्स्ट चीज में दिमाग में चूंगा कि चल तू नॉर्मल लोग से मिलता है उनसे मिलेगा तो क्यों अनएक्सपेक्टेड बोलेगा. सो आई जस्ट थिंक ऑफ सम रैंडम एज पर्सन एंड हिट्स ब्रो, लाइक fucking 7 crore जो योर चैनल वाला. A few years ago there was a really bad weather and a thunder hit in some man's yard directly in the tree that's few centuries old, cracked in half, and the next day he found inside the tree a chest full with gold and other jewelry dating back to Ottoman times. Like what the fuck? Why couldn't that happen to me? Why couldn't that happen to me? Uska response, let me guess, you did have a yard. Uska reply, I have a huge one, but knowing my luck, it's all going to be empty.
मतलब ये एक्चुअली आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड द लक पार्ट, बिकॉज आई नो मेरे साथ भी नहीं होता. मेरे पास इतना बड़ा यार्ड होता फिर भी मेरे को पता कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, ना तेल मिलेगा, ना ज्वेलरी मिलेगी, ना गोल्ड मिलेगा.
बट बंदा इज लाइक कर्सिंग हिज लक, मतलब भाई थोड़े और तो बड़ा बंदे का यार्ड ही नहीं है.
बट लोग कितने लकी होते हैं कोई, एंड इफ यू फील कि मतलब इमेजिन दैट गाय जस्ट मतलब कोई भी, इफ यू बाय लाइक यू नो अ लॉटरी टिकट एंड इट जस्ट हिट्स एंड यूर करोड़पति लाइक यू नो ओवरनाइट, एंड देन यू फील कि यही लिखा था किस्मत में. अब क्या बस इन्वेस्टमेंट पे जियो.
बट आई थिंक दैट्स अ कर्स ब्रो. बोलते हैं कभी लॉटरी जीते, their life is just fucked up after that.
After 4-5-6 years वो था ना उसमें KBC में जो आदमी पहली बार जीता था 5 crore rupees. Like he was a teacher, वो बहुत famous हुआ था वो टाइम पे. I don't remember his name, some Sunil or something, Sushil whatever. So वो at that time he was a teacher. He won 5 crore rupees. He was the first person like at that time in you know history to win like that amount at KBC. And then after that, after some X number of years, he lost everything, and then he went back to teaching again.
वाह, मतलब ये होता है ना, suddenly you give money to the people who can't handle the money, who don't know how to handle the money. 3-4 years of just banging parties over there.
Prostitutes and drugs.
उसके बाद मैं back to अपनी पत्नी.
बट मैं कभी डिनाई नहीं करूंगा, किसी को अगर लॉटरी देनी है मेरे को दे दो, एटलीस्ट फॉर 4-5 years आई एंजॉय ना. अगर फिर से इसी पे आना है तो 5-6 साल बाद है तो भी चलेगा. Back in 2014, a hijacked Ethiopian Airlines plane was headed to Switzerland, but had to be intercepted by French, Italian fighter jets because the Swiss Air Force didn't work on nights and weekends. That's one of the most Swiss thing I read. So the Germans invaded Poland again, and the intelligence shows they are planning a surprise attack on us. It can wait until Monday.
इससे बोलते हैं वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस.
वही बोल रहा है, माँ शुदा है दुनिया, मरने तो सालों
Weekend भाई मैं सो ही बात कर रहा हूँ गार्ड में.
मेरे को नहीं मालूम.
बोलते हैं ना ऐसे फ्राइडे को जो ब्रीफ आते हैं आपको, दिस विल टेक केयर ऑफ मंडे ब्रो.
Today is family day. अरे सर, there will be no family left if you don't work today.
Hard stop at 6 PM.
तू सोच ना, उसको ऐसा कॉल कर रहे हैं तो उसका, या उसको मेल डाल रहे, उसका ऑटोमेटिक रिप्लाई आ रहा है. हाँ, कि वो आता है ना कि ऐसा अपना, हाई सेंडर, आई एम ऑन लीव टुडे, दिस इज द वीकेंड, सो प्लीज कॉन्टैक्ट मी एट 12 PM ऑन माई. वो जो ऑटोमेटिक रिप्लाई आता है, मेल गेट सो फनी. इमेजिन, सर वी आर अबाउट टू डाई, आई डोंट केयर.
और इस पे लिखते हैं ना, प्लीज कनेक्ट विद
प्लीज
दैट पर्सन. वो उस बंदे को मेल कर, उसका ही मेल आ रहा है, आई एम ऑन लीव टुडे.
पता चला कि मंडे में सब परमानेंट लीव पे. Nonsense, man.
A year ago, a woman from Krakow,
Which country is this?
पहली बार सुना मैं, saw a strange creature on the tree from a balcony and got super scared. She called authorities that a lagoon is on top of the tree. What she meant was iguana. The authorities came, inspected the strange creature and concluded that it was just a croissant. What the
Imagine the police coming इतना रात को, बोला क्या होगा, कुछ तो है. It is just an edible item.
उधर भी पुलिस आ रहेगा, croissant नहीं होता,
It's croissant, please. वो कौन सा रील वायरल हुआ था अभी, कुछ तो हुआ था ना, मेरे को पता नहीं, but I heard something like this happened. But I'll give you a scenario. Imagine that in this scenario, you are the police. This मतलब इसके बाद वो ऐसा बंदा बोल रहा है, that's why work life balance is important. ये सब चूतिए लोग कॉल करते हैं हमको.
इधर आना चाहिए था वो.
The last one for the day.
Yeah.
Last week, every time I thought of someone, I got a text from them. Happened today too. First, a guy, he ghosted me 9 months ago, texted me out of the blue to see how I was. Then a friend I had fallen out with, but who I messaged and thought of just a day earlier, texted me to apologize. Then my fucking ex texted me, which just blew me away. I told the first guy and the ex to fuck off, and I forgave my friend. Irrelevant, I don't know. I have more such examples. It has never happened before.
What is this, bro?
Kohli Saab, if you're listening to this, I'm manifesting you to text me back.
कुछ भी है भाई, this is a random ass shit. उसमें फिर लिखा sounds like you put a breakup post on social.
मतलब ये मेरे को समझता नहीं कि, मतलब ये अगर एक्चुअली ट्रू है तो मैं भी एक हफ्ते के लिए रुको कि ऐसा मेरे को कोई ऐसा मैसेज डाले.
अरे भाई,
मेरे को ऐसा JP Morgan से मेल आ रहा है, कांग्रेचुलेशंस यू आर शॉर्टलिस्टेड.
हमें ऐसा भाई बोलते ना, तू कोहली का मिला रही है, यस आई कम टू इम्पोर्ट.
आई कम टू, उसको बोलेंगे वेयर डू यू नीड टू कम, सर गोरेगांव वेस्ट, प्लीज कम हियर.
सर थोड़ा आधा घंटा वेट करना पड़ेगा, सेटअप में टाइम.
एंड इमेजिन हिम सिटिंग देयर, जो ऐसा बैठा है, बैंच होता होगा तुम लोग का.
मैं इधर रॉड लगा रहा हूँ,
मैं खाली बैठा हूँ.
सर हेलो बोलो,
हेलो माइक टेस्ट बैंड स्टॉक्स.
फिर मैं बोलूँगा सर 8 मिनट हो गए, निकलो.
Okay, so boys and girls, that's it for today. We had some fun stories, some spooky, some fun, some shitty as fuck, ghost spoofs, and I don't know what not. So if you like the episode, then please tell us. If you don't like it, don't tell us. We don't care, but sorry. Yeah, we like the feedback. So just please drop us a mail, message, anything, anytime. And stop commenting shit on our reels.
Randy Orton is the best fucking wrestler of all time.
He's the best character, I would say. Yeah, whatever. It's fake, it's scripted.
काफी लोग ने बोला scripted स्टोरी के लिए इतना रील बना रहे हो, बॉल नॉलेज नहीं है.
बॉल नहीं है भाई.
Sure.
Okay, bye bye. See you.